Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get more views on Behance and increase the visibility of your projects. So first of all, you need to come here on behance.net, then simply log in here into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, simply hover to your profile icon, then click on the option of Behance profile. Here in the work section, you are going to see all of the projects that you have created. So the very first thing that you need to make sure of is your project look very professional and it should showcase your best work. Behance also recommends quality over uploading lots of average projects. When you are publishing any of the projects, you need to choose the most relevant creative field. You need to also add specific project tags, and these tags can help people discover your work through the Behance search and can also improve the search visibility. So you can add up to 10 project tags. So the tags option comes when you basically add any of the project and click on the option of publish. Then you need to also create a strong cover image and project title that clearly communicate what your project is all about. So this makes your project easier to understand when it appears in the search result or in the discovery areas. You should also share your project outside Behance, as Behance's analytics can show you whether the viewers are coming from Behance search or for your feed or curated galleries, social media, or even external search engines. Now you can also use that analytics in order to check which search terms and the traffic sources are bringing you most of the views, and then you can create more projects around that particular topic that are basically performing good. So that's how, after keeping all of these things in place, you will be able to easily get more views on Behance. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.